What's up, everybody? It's man 1313 and the Wiz. And I don't know if you can see here off to the right, Primitive Road. I haven't seen one of those signs in a while. 748C. I'm actually trying to get to a waterfall to do a little hike in Waterfall, and I thought I knew where I was going. This is not the road I thought it was. This is even better. Sweetness. Little bumpy holes. Oh yeah, a little off-road. 3 wheels. No flexing. And that was that. Sweet. That was it. That was the fun road. It's a pretty day here in Georgia, but it's kind of chilly. And actually, we're not in Georgia, are we? We're in South Carolina. Raise the roof. And we're heading down to the trailhead to the waterfall. Make sure we don't get into nothing too crazy, but this is cool. We're still good for us. It's not that muddy out. If it was real muddy, this would be nasty. $11. I'm so glad we ate. Jeepers, probably messing that place up. Hey, buddy. All right, here we are. Ready to rock and roll. And what we're gonna do is hike down to Waterfalls, I think it's called. Oh, it's a nice little drive in. Gibbsy. Hey. All right. We're almost there. What a nice hike. Waterfalls. Look at this. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh yeah, you should be able to hear it. What a nice hike. Gotta be careful because it's still wet out. The rocks are wet. And you see it? Oh wow. Oh, what we were hearing wasn't even the big one. Oh wow. That's cool. Oh, there they are. Huh? Alright, I'm gonna turn this off before I fall. Get a picture from here. Woo-wee. Beautiful. Holy man. Nice. He wants to go in the water. He wants to get in that water. Let him drink some. Wow. This fool loves the sand. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Jeez. Oh, he hit that tree. Go. Must feel nice on the feet. Gipster seems to like the sand and the water, which is good. Beautiful little smaller waterfall over here, a little cascade. Look at these rocks. Wow. Beautiful place. Sat. Let doggy play. Alright. That was very nice. As you saw. Now we're headed out. We're looking on the primitive road. And we are looking for small pine trees with a knot ball of sap on it. There's a name to it, but I have no clue what it was. I can't remember it. We got a lot of info that day. And it's made for making fires. Oh, what a nice little treat this was. Little off-road. Nice hike. Beautiful waterfall. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. This is the hardest four-wheel driving ever. Even though that Toyota Camry did it. Alright.